ask the athletes to run out. That means they're not quite ready to get them started. Better to keep athletes safe and warm and moving, Coach Wilson. But there is your favorite for this heat, fifth fastest high schooler in the, oh, sorry, I shouldn't say high schooler because the Class 2 boys, we have the Class 2 boy named Peter from KC who has actually gone faster. But right. In the Class 1 boys, Robinson of Jamaica College is the fifth fastest so far this year.
At 46.50, his personal best, 46.41. Quality competitor. As we get ready for Heat 5 of 8 for the Class 1 boys. This final is going to be an absolutely fascinating event. Just like the Class 2 contest. Because we've got some worthy competitors around town.
On screen there, that was Michael Willis of Calabar out in lane 7. Again, camera focusing on the pre-race favorite for this heat. And that is young Omary Robinson. Again, you see the official there at lane 6 making sure that the block sensors are ready to receive the reaction times. And he's gotten the signal that all is good.
47.60 seconds, the fastest heat so far. Michaelian Woods of Jamaica College, that was in Heat 3. His teammate Omary Robinson is the favorite here now.
On your marks.
Spotlight on the Class 1 boys now.
Set.
Out and about now, a clean start. And Omary Robinson of Jamaica College went out rapidly. Oh, he has gobbled up those on his outside already. Elijah Campbell, Micah Willis, and Jaleel Mighton. Omary Robinson traveling excellently down the backstretch. He is in command for sure. Being chased by Elijah Campbell of St. Jago. Michael Willis of Calabar is trying to stay with the tempo. That's the top 3 at the moment, but only 2 will be assured of automatic tickets into the semi-finals. Nicholas Williams of Edwin Allen joins the party late and looks ominous. But they've got to get back to Omary Robinson of Jamaica College. He cruises home quite comfortably. Michael Willis of Calabar gets second. Winning time here for Omary Robinson of JC, 48.32. And in second, Michael Willis of Calabar, 48.96.
Our 47-second streak is broken.
It's broken.
But I have to tell you though, Omary Robinson looked perhaps more relaxed than